Olivier, what do we see here?
So first here, you see the do-it-yourself solution of APsystem, which is made of a balcony solution. So balcony is a disruptive product that we made primarily for Germany. It's about a plug-and-play system for 2, 4, 6 modules. Installation time is no more than 1 hour, 2 hours. So it's really a plug-and-play disruptive using storage and micro-inverter dedicated to this business. It's already shipping massively in Germany.
Very popular, huh?
And going get to some in France and other countries like Spain, Italy. The biggest market is still German, but we're ready to feed all the countries over the world.
So APS has storage too?
APS is storage too. And not a small storage. We go to the full range of storage. You have here an example of single-phase storage that can be coupled with our micro-inverter, but with any inverter on the market. These are charging, and these are our battery pack. But we go also to 3-phase on all the place when we want small commercial or 3-phase on residential. This product has a backup, and it can even be used as off-grid. So
okay, I can use it as a UPS.
Exactly. Either on-grid and off-grid or mixed. So it's a complete solution.
Question. We in Holland have a little bit of problems with our grid. We have dynamic pricing and everything. Is there also a future about using the battery to buy and sell electricity?
It's already doable with this solution.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's already doable with this solution with the app we have on the 3-phase product.
Okay, wonderful. So that's what I need. Hey Olivier, what is this?
This is the extension of our do-it-yourself product. The easy one is a product that has been specifically designed for do-it-yourself to make sure that the do-it-yourself get their own product. So it's a single-phase product that can be used by balcony or any do-it-yourself application directly linked to the grid for 2 or 4 modules.
Wonderful here. So here you hang it on the balcony and immediately it goes into the voltage. Yeah. Olivier, that was all very nicely, those micro things. Do you have something bigger?
Yes, APsystem doesn't stop to micro or residential and small commercial storage. We all go to large commercial and industrial battery. And this is a right example of scalable solution for storage solution. This is a liquid-cooled battery for C&I, commercial and industrial. So it's the latest technology you can find in the market on C&I storage. And it's scalable. You can go up to megawatt installation. You can start with 400, and if you need more, you just add a cabinet, and they all talk together.
Olivier, what is the future of batteries? What can we expect?
So the future on battery is to provide a full range, residential to commercial, but also to find all the way to down the costs at the company level of the battery to make sure that we can provide, financially speaking, something that makes sense to the
market. We need 100 times more batteries, but we need to have the price go down.
We need much more battery, and by volume we need to go price down without compromise on quality.
And is that possible? Are there new techniques in the horizon?
It's fully possible. There is many new technique on a storage battery, which is lithium, but not only, using other source of storage. And we are like, there is potassium, there is sodium, and we are looking and chasing this kind of solution.
Thank you.